Guys, reading day 10. It's all about magnets, and shout out to Adrian when I talked to him this week. He was telling me he read another book about magnets on Epic. That sounded pretty cool. So, as always, I'm going to read this to you guys and go over the questions. Magnets can attract or pull things. They have a force that you cannot see. It is called a magnetic field. The force pulls or attracts some things to the magnet. A magnet will attract things made of certain metals. The ends of a magnet are called poles. One pole is the North Pole. The other is the South Pole. The North Pole is one magnet. The North Pole of one magnet will attract the South Pole of another magnet. Two north poles will repel or push away each other. Two south poles will repel each other too. Magnets have many uses. You can find them in many places at your house. Do you have magnets on your refrigerator? Some cupboard doors have magnets to keep them shut. Magnets are also in motors. These motors can run washing machines and blenders. Special magnets are also in tape players, VCRs, and TVs. Magnets come in many shapes. They can be round, long, or U-shaped. Magnets come in many sizes. Small magnets can be found in your kitchen. Large magnets are used to pick up very heavy things. They are useful. So then we have our picture, and it says, why didn't the magnet pick up the pencil? So pencils are made out of wood, so it does not attract to that. Something else from the passage is you guys probably do not know what a tape player or a VCR is. So I am going to post a picture of that following this video. So I'll post it on Class Dojo so you can see what a tape player and VCR looks like, because during your time you guys have not had those. All right, so let's look at our questions. Fill in the bubble to answer each question or complete each sentence. Number 1. Which group of things would a magnet attract? A paperclip, a nail, an eraser? A paperclip, a nail, a pencil? A nail, a staple, an eraser? A nail, a staple, a paperclip? So A has an eraser which does not have metal, so it would not attract all three of those. B has a pencil, which we just talked about is wood, so it would not attract that. It may attract the part that holds the eraser, but it's not going to attract the wooden part of the pencil. A nail, a staple, and eraser. Again, the eraser does not attract. It's not made out of metal. So D, a nail, a staple, and a paper clip would be the correct answer because they are all a form of metal. The force around a magnet is called A, the South Pole, B, the North Pole, C, the magnetic field, or D, the magnet strength. And in paragraph, let's see where that was. The first paragraph. The second sentence. They have a force that you cannot see. It is called a magnetic field. So C, the magnetic field, would be correct. Number 3. The north pole of one magnet will attract the blank pole of another magnet. And that is in the second paragraph. 4 sentences in, the north pole of one magnet will attract the south pole of another magnet. So B, south, would be correct. Number 4, why are magnets used on some cupboard doors? A, they can be shaped like horseshoes. B, they attract each other to hold the door shut. C, they are in motors. Or D, they are found in kitchens. Third paragraph down, 1, 2, 3. The fourth sentence, some cupboard doors have magnets to keep them shut. So, B, they attract each other to hold the door shut would be correct. Repel means to A, push away, B, attract, C, pull, or D, run. In The second paragraph, the second to last sentence, it says two north poles will repel or push away each other. So A, push away, would be correct. On the back of this page, write a list of things in the room a magnet would pick up. Then make a list of things in the room that a magnet could not pick up. So at home, there are tons of things made out of metal. So I want you to list at least 3 things that a magnet could pick up in your room and 3 things that the magnet would not pick up. All right, guys, if you have any questions, just reach out to me. I'd love to help you. Bye, guys.